मांडुक्य कारिका 4:11 से कारणम यस्य वै कार्यम कारणम तस्य जायते जायमानम कथमजम भिन्नम नित्यम कथम च तत्. The cause must undergo birth according to one who holds that the cause itself is the effect. How can a thing birthless that takes birth, and how can it be eternal when it can be subjected to partial integration? If Brahman, that is the cause, be born in the form of universe, that is the effect, then how can it be designated as birthless? To say that it is unborn, that is immutable, and at the same time born, that is passing into change, involves a contradiction. Verse 4:12 says, kāraṇādyadyananyatvamataḥ और नन्यत्वम अतः कार्यम अजम यदि jāyamānāddhi वै kāryāt kāraṇaṃ te katham ध्रुवम. If effect is non-different from cause, then on that account effect too is birthless, and if that be so, how can the cause be still eternal, it being non-different from its effect, which is subject to birth? Cause and effect considered to be same, there arises contradiction that a thing, even being product, remains birthless. One half of the hen cannot be cooked, while the other half reserved for laying eggs. Verse 4:13 says, अजाद्वै जायते यस्य दृष्टान्तस् तस्य नास्ति वै जातश्च जायमानस्य no व्यवस्था प्रसज्यते. There is no illustration to support the view of one who says that the effect is born from the unborn cause. Again, if it be said that the effect is produced from a cause which itself is born, then it leads to a regressus ad infinitum. The followers of Sankhya philosophy contends that such effect as Mahat etc. are evolved from unborn pradhan, the cause being non-different from the effect. Karika disapproved this theory of Sankhya. If effect is produced from a cause that is born from other cause, then there will be an endless regress. Verse 4:14 says, हेतोरादि फलम यस्ताम आदि हेतु फलस्य च हेतु फलस्य चानादि कथम ते उपवर्ण्यते. How can beginninglessness be declared for cause and effect by those according to whom the effect is the origin of cause, cause is the origin of effect? The views of Mīmaṁsas are that merit and demerit result from embodiment, and embodiment results from merit and demerit. This beginningless process is going on like the hen and the egg. This position implies inherent contradiction. Verse 4:15 says, हेतोरादि फलम यस्ताम आदि हेतु फलस्य च तथा जन्म भवेत् तेषां पुत्रात् जन्म पितुर्यथा. Just as father may be born of a son, so also may birth be a possibility according to those dualists who admit that effect is the source of cause and cause is the source of effect. Those who assert that cause originates from the effect, which is itself produced from the cause, gets involved in a contradiction that is on a par with that implied in the birth of a father from a son. Verse 4:16 says, संभवे हेतु फलयो ऐसी तभ्य क्रमस्तया युगपद संभवे यस्मात् संबंधो विषाणवत्. In case causality be still maintained, the order in which cause and effect succeed each other must be stated. If it be said that they appear simultaneously, then they, being like two horns of an animal, cannot be mutually related to each other. A sequence that cause precedes and effect succeeds has to be found out. If cause and effect arise simultaneously, then they cannot be related as the cause and effect, as it is impossible to establish the causal relation between two horns of a cow produced simultaneously.